In the realm of digital democracy, blockchain technology, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and tokens propose an innovative solution to build a secure, efficient, and transparent election system. Here we examine the detailed structure of such a system and its advantages, while acknowledging potential challenges. Digital technologies have brought immense transformation to various sectors, and elections can also potentially benefit. Blockchain technology, NFTs, and tokens propose an innovative path to enhance security, efficiency, and transparency of elections, leading to a more democratic and open society. Voter registration and identity verification. The bedrock of any electoral process is a thorough and reliable voter registration and identity verification system. Decentralized identity systems, DIDs, on blockchain offer a solution by providing immutable, verifiable proof of a voter's eligibility. Following verification, each voter is issued a unique NFT representing their individual voting rights. The NFT must be securely tethered to the voter's identity, preventing transfer or misuse. Token allocation. Upon successful registration, each voter receives a predetermined quantity of tokens in their digital wallet. The quantity of tokens represents the voting power of an individual, typically on a one-token, one-vote basis. Candidate wallets or smart contracts. In the proposed system, each candidate or issue up for vote is associated with a unique wallet or smart contract on the blockchain. These dedicated locations serve as a receptacle for voters to send their tokens when casting their vote. Casting a vote. During the voting process, voters send tokens from their personal wallet to the wallet or smart contract associated with their chosen candidate or issue. The blockchain records each transaction, thereby creating a transparent, tamper-proof record of every cast vote. Counting votes. Post the voting phase, the tallying process begins. The number of tokens in each candidate's wallet or smart contract signifies the total votes received. As this process is on a public ledger, the blockchain, it can be easily audited and verified by any participant in the network, providing an unprecedented level of transparency. Security measures. To safeguard the system against misuse, implementing strong security measures is vital. These include robust data encryption, multi-signature wallets to validate the legitimacy of votes, and rigorous smart contract testing to preemptively identify and rectify potential vulnerabilities. Privacy. While blockchain facilitates transparency, voter privacy is paramount. Techniques like ZKS-NRKS, zero-knowledge succinct non-interactive argument of knowledge, enable voters to prove they hold a valid vote, via NFT and tokens, without divulging which candidate received their vote. Audit and accountability. Due to the transactional nature of blockchain, the proposed voting system inherently has an audit trail. Any discrepancies or inconsistencies can be identified and addressed by examining the transactions on the blockchain, further deterring manipulation or tampering of votes. Token disposal. Post-election, the used tokens can be destroyed or returned to a central voting contract, mitigating any risk of future misuse. While the aforementioned blockchain-based election system could significantly enhance transparency, efficiency, and reliability, it also introduces new challenges. Scalability, digital literacy, and the security and privacy of voter data are all crucial considerations. Also, Blockchain can only minimize certain forms of election fraud and cannot address issues like coercion or vote buying.